Carbon monoxide poisoning is not just a wintertime occurrence. It can occur in the summertime. If you check Google carbon monoxide deaths in summertime, you'll see they happen all the time. Why? People use their grills too close to the house, the fumes go in. People during a power outage run their whole house generators in the garage so the rain doesn't get to the generator, or outside where the fumes can be drawn in. People still start their cars in their garages. It's not just a winter phenomenon. So be careful. It could happen in the summertime, spring, any time of the year. Remember, those flu-like symptoms, headaches, nausea, general weakness. If you leave your home and you feel better, you go to the mall, you feel better, you go to school, you feel better, but when you come home, those symptoms come back, could be CO poisoning. Be careful. When in doubt, call the Post Service and have a certified CO technician check your house out.